Right, today we're gonna bring these heavy-duty wheels. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use them for. So I have a large arcade. I have it upside down right now because it's a heavy monster. It's about close to 400 pounds, and this can carry up to 600 pounds. So we're gonna set it up on one of these and move it around. For first of all, I want to make sure I adjust this because this needs to grab on to this corner here. So I got to make sure it's well adjusted. So I'm gonna move this closer to here. I might shave it down just a little bit so it could fit in perfect, but I'm gonna see if they really work. They're supposed to be for a dresser higher than 400 pounds, so I want to find out. And last time I put in some wheels, these are reinforced. They still bend it. If you guys can see that, the wheels didn't work. I had to take them out. So now, because I want to set this up, I want to adjust it and move it around. We're going to do that today. So let's go ahead and put this up. And if it works, we'll see it mobilize. If it doesn't, we're going to have an issue. All right, it worked. So we got the setup. Pretty much the wheels are working. It's above the ground. I can put brakes if I want. Brake, it will move. And it's movable. I like it. It's sturdy. This is around 400 pounds and the wheels are holding on. So now I have the whole system to be able to move without me being concerned about people stepping on it or moving it around. The wheels have the brakes. I like that the wheels have the brakes. I know if you guys can see the brakes, I can step on them right now. This thing's about 400 pounds, all right, the wood itself. And making it mobile, it's fantastic. I can move it everywhere. Instead of having these high-rise mobile stations, I have these now, so I'm able to work on it and set it up. So we're gonna do that right now and play with it. That's what I need it for. And if you guys can see, I'm gonna move it one hand, pretty much move it anywhere. I put the tape so the door, the monitor, and everything won't fall off right now because I'm gonna still work on it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.